Get ready for a time warp. Yes, we have fast forwarded a couple of years and find ourselves back at Proctor's Theater. There is a recap of our Aladdin adventures in the works, but for now, welcome to our new adventure of being the lead drivers for the first national tour of Some Like It Hot. Here we are, Proctor's Theater, Schenectady, New York. The show has spent a few weeks here. The first couple of weeks, the time was spent in rehearsals, building the set, and fine-tuning. This past week, Some Like It Hot opened for audiences, kicking off its first national tour. The lead driver is the liaison between the show and the truck drivers. Some of the responsibilities include coordinating with the driver's arrival time, staging, and assisting backing into the docks, no matter how simple they may seem. Some of the pieces can come right off the stage, come through that door, come up this little baby ramp, and get loaded into the alleyway. That way they've got action going on multiple levels, 2 in the dock, 1 in the alley. Keeps them flowing smoothly.
So this is the last trailer, which will be the last trailer we load today, but it's actually called Trailer 1, which is the one we're going to haul. So our tech load out here is going pretty good. We're already loading the last trailer. And, I don't know, I think it's like 8:30 at night. Wow, I'm pretty good. 8:39 at night, 20:39. Not bad. Lots of forklift work.
Everything abuzz. Last push, last trailer, last few pieces. See if we can get it to fit. Just like that, everything's down and it's empty. Bye, Schenectady. Done with loadout. Successfully. Fit everything in all 5 trailers.
Yep. We didn't
Good job, Austin. The oh shoot trailer.
Yeah. Oh snap.
Oh snap
It
trailer.
wouldn't all fit in those trailers. You
Yeah.
got an extra one.
Right, but we didn't need it. Good job, Austin. We started loadout at 1700, finished at 23:34. So 5 hours and 34 minutes for the
6 hours and 34 minutes.
God, I can't add. Where did I get 5? Oh, 10, 5, yeah. 6 hours, 34 minutes.
Yeah.
Not so bad. Not for
Not at
tech.
all.
That's huge.
That's
That's
a really
awesome.
good one.
Tech loadout is the first time any of the items have been loaded into the trailer after they have completely fine-tuned and
Set up the show, practiced it, and made their first performances. They had to build everything, put it all together, make sure it all worked, show it off, and then move it to the next theater. And this is the first time it's moved.
so Buffalo, here we come. Shay's Buffalo Theater. Our first move is from Schenectady, New York, 271 miles to Buffalo, New York. We have arrived at Chase Buffalo Theater in Buffalo, New York. Just getting started. Everything is empty. The theater's pretty much naked when we show up. They have all their house stuff tucked away so we can put all the show stuff up.
Hopefully my truck's not going to be in your way. I don't know what clown park's right across from the loading dock. My God. All right, I'll get your doors real quick. All right, well, we got traffic control Kelly with a stop sign. Let's do this. You're gonna go into the very first dock. All right, start giving me some driver's side. Send it hard with your magic Volvo. Yes, you do. All right. Start chasing it out. Looking good. Clear all around. Getting a good line here. I like it. Yeah, my truck's going to be in your way a little bit. We over-rotated just a touch. Yeah, we're going to have to go to the passenger side about 4 feet total. By the time you're all the way in here, we can come back and make an adjustment on it once you're back in. Bring her back. You got it this time. Nice. Just the way you want it. You got 20 feet. Ten, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you go. Put a little pressure on her and lock her down. Great job. Great job. All right, go ahead and start putting some driver's side jack in it. Hard jack, all you got. All you got. We'll make her rotate nice here. There you go. Now straighten your wheels up, start chasing it out. Full chase. I might have waited a minute too long to put the chase on it. I'm rusty here. Yeah, I like it. Full chase, keep coming like that. We're going to be just fine. This is going to come out perfect. Yep, full chase still. All right, now give me a little bit of driver's side again. Straighten the nose up a little as we come back. Can you see the lines where you're looking? All right. Actually coming looking in pretty good here. I mean, you're between the lines. You're looking great right now, but you're still going to have to get squared up. I don't know how close you are to becoming square. Hell yeah, look at that. All right, we got about, not even a pull-up, 8 feet. 5, 4, 3, 2. You got 2. 1. Keep going, bringing it 1. Put some squish on it. Right, well, a little bit more. Put some squish on it. Lock her down. Outstanding, brother. I can hear all the girls cheering. Great job.
the show is loaded into Shay's Buffalo Theater, and we brought the trailer back. The last of the 5 that are coming back to the drop yard. So now we'll just walk around, make sure all 5 look good condition, no major visible flaws. And they'll hang out here for the week. The 5th trailer will stay in the dock. Since the show will move out again on Sunday after the last performance, we will hang out in the area for the remainder of the week. Next location is the Fisher Theater in Detroit, Michigan. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications of when we post a new video.